Hi there, I'm Randy Peterson, and over the next few minutes, I'm going to introduce you to a cutting-edge new technology that will allow you to communicate with your staff, your customers, and in fact, the entire world in a way never before available, and at prices that are a fraction of the cost of the old days of production. I'm sure you've heard of YouTube, everybody has, but did you know YouTube has quickly grown to the second largest search engine on the internet? With that and the expansion of broadband TV networks, fiber optics in the home, all the satellite options, mobile media, mobile TV, well, video has grown from the best way to communicate to the only way to communicate your brand. And the difference between good company communication and bad is the quality of production. Now, what's that? Well, you say this looks like the typical green screen, that old weather report feel from the nightly news. Well, you're sort of right. But with the new HD TriCaster, we combine the green screen with multiple cameras and a one-of-the-kind computer system that transports you from the boring flat world of 2 dimensions into your very own custom virtual set. It's as easy as a snap. Look how easy that was. You are witnessing what we call a virtual set. It looks like the real thing. It reacts like the real thing. It even has 3 dimensions like the real thing. On your set, you have the ability to zoom in or zoom out. You have multiple camera angles to break up the longer segments. It's just like a real set. Well, I shouldn't lie. There are 2 major differences, and that is lower cost and much greater flexibility to your production. And talk about flexibility, whether you want something casual and cool or something a bit more formal to address your audience, you can have it. For example, if your team finds the need to communicate industry news to the world, daily updates to your staff or shareholders, or even expert guidance to your customers, the HD TriCaster has got you covered without the need to build an expensive set, hire lighting designers, interior designers. Well, you get the point, it saves you money. And did I mention the flexibility? There are a wide variety of backdrops to best suit your message, like the one I'm on, or this one, or even this one. And if your message is, well, a bit more casual, it's okay. You don't need a shirt and tie to talk about your company's cool products. Imagine a weekly video segment to include in your blog and emails, something to showcase those products to the marketplace. Talk about their features, their amenities, and even show your customers how to use it. That is cool. You can even have a studio overlooking the big game. You can play highlights on the monitors around you. Next time your company wants to create a splash at the year end, show them a newscast of your company picnic highlights. You'll be winning trophies like these for your quality video production. And if you want something with that network gloss, how about broadcasting from your very own waterfront studio overlooking the big city? And if that's not enough, have live guests on your show. Greg, thanks for coming on our program today. I understand you're all the way in Hong Kong.
Yes, I am. Hong Kong is beautiful. It has just electricity flowing through it. I love this city.
Now, having Greg here points out one of the major capabilities of the TriCaster, and that is live interviews from anywhere across the country or the globe. Every virtual set you've seen has monitors placed around it, and you can put pictures, logos, videos, just about anything you can imagine, but the power is having guests join in and share their expertise. So it basically turns your company into a global information provider of your industry. And speaking of global, the world of media and advertising is changing. Studies have shown that the effectiveness of the traditional 30-second spot is on the decline, while the success of branded, expert-driven content is increasing by the day. Consumers want more than a quick burst of information. They want a conversation that adds value. And a product like the HD TriCaster will allow you to build productions that are relevant, professionally produced, visually on par with national TV, and best of all, under budget.